Why is the iMovR Lander electric standing desk still the top-rated standing desk platform since 2018? Well, there's a few reasons. One of them being that the Lander is the most technologically advanced standing desk available today. It could be because of the exceptionally strong, stable, and silent desk components that are assembled together in the USA using precision lasers and robotics. With a modern gesture control handset and Bluetooth sync, the Lander desk will soon be able to connect to an array of Bluetooth-powered desk accessories with a single tap to control them all. A desk built so well, it's future-proof. The Lander offers a host of incredible features that assemble in as little as 3 minutes with no toolbox required. But we believe the defining feature of this desk that has solidified the Lander as the reigning champion is the exceptional end-to-end customer experience centered on broad-ranging customization and advanced ergodynamics. Build your Lander to fit your exact space and decor. 2-leg rectangular, 3-leg corner L desks, treadmill desks, sit or stand meeting tables, all with optimized ergonomics built in. With an unmatched range of sizes from 35 to 95 inches wide and an unparalleled selection of finishes, you can choose to build your desk from over 65 combined finishes in gorgeous, ultra-durable healthcare-grade 3D laminates or exquisitely handcrafted heirloom quality solid wood finishes. Ultimately, there's a design that will fit every room and home and every worker in the office. Our intuitive controller combined with a companion app that activates advanced control functions, which gives you the flexibility to carry your own desk settings and activity history wherever you go on your phone. This is a game changer for shared desk environments. Another feature working alongside you is a built-in health coach that lets you set gentle reminders to change position. Studies have shown that using the health coach reminders more than doubles the amount of time you'll spend standing and out of your chair. With features that go well beyond standard ergonomics, the Lander desks are the most ergonomically advanced standing desks in the world. Features like our patented built-in or add-on steady-type keyboard trays that aid in reducing wrist, arm, shoulder, and neck strain and pain. The Lander is entirely made in the USA from the highest quality components, featuring whisper-quiet dual precision motors that can silently lift up to 360 pounds on our 2-leg models or 540 pounds on our 3-leg L desks, providing strength and stability for any type of work. Landers use more American steel than other desks to give them their unparalleled stability. This also allows them to stretch out to 8 feet wide and maintain their legendary rigidity. Premium components allow us to put an industry-leading lifetime warranty on the frame and 15 years on all electrical components, including our exceptionally durable, hermetically sealed, and ergo-contoured 3D laminate desktops. These laminates are healthcare grade, meaning that even the harshest hospital disinfectants will not damage them like conventional work surfaces. A desk built to last a lifetime. Take all the time you need to fall in love with your Lander desk with our 100-day satisfaction guarantee. The Lander desk from iMovR. Lots of love, lots of gain.